Now check this out. What I like to do is create a blog post that's really, really good. Like it's detailed, it has buttons, it has pictures, it has like text, it's all laid out nicely with headers, right? I would use some headers here. I would go, right, here's my first header, and I would change that to a H2. And then I would have another subheader down here, and I would change that to an H3, right? Take your time to really make this look perfect, save it, and then once you have your template, that's what you're gonna use, and you're gonna duplicate that baby. So you don't have to do it over and over and over and over and over. You just click duplicate, and bam, you have a copy of that blog post exactly as it is. All you gotta do is change the title. News item 2. So now we have news item 2 with a thumbnail image, and I can change that image because it's something different, right? So let's change it to, uh, I can change it to this. Let's do it to my cover page thing. Maybe it's a different author. It's probably a different source, right? Google.com. And there we go. Save and publish, ready to go. And when I refresh, it will show up. Sweet, there it is. I got news item 1, news item 2. Again, why I like the Hunter template is because this looks weird. Again, it's that content inset, which I would fix later. Yeah, I really don't like that that's the main setting. Um, but besides that, it's kind of cool because down at the bottom of the blog, I have a next item. So I can see what's the next blog post. And it keeps your user engaged. They read the first item, then they get to the bottom, they throw a couple comments down there, and then they see what's next or previous. You can change the settings of that and the colors as well. All right, awesome. So you've created a blog and you're ready to go. You're ready to create more content. You can change some settings in there up here. How many posts per page, the description of your blog. You can even link like you can syndicate it so that you can link it to RSS feeds like Apple News. Um, you can make it a podcast. That's how you make a podcast is by making a blog first, setting it up as a podcast like this, and then adding audio. And it automatically syndicates it when you have it submitted to uh, Apple. You can also manage your categories and tags from here. Like I added baseball and chess and football, hockey, marching band, and tennis in my categories as well. I can delete those. I can rename them. That's where you would do it from here. What else we have? Yeah, there's a bunch of features. You can mess around with these.